traditional form, which is presenting an untruth, as a legitimate piece of journalism. But second, there's this new phenomenon, right, which is to use fake news as a rallying cry to delegitimize mainstream media.
Freedom of expression is identified as one of the first human rights. Once you start regulating news, you run directly against this fundamental value that we all share.
The news is happening real time and it's all coming from social media. And basically the traditional media couldn't match the demand that was there for real-time information. And that's why we see a lot of people moving to social media for their news. Freedom of expression does come with responsibilities. It's not as simple as saying that there should be regulation. It's also the kind of regulation that should be there. You need to let people express themselves.
Once a piece of news that's fake gets out, you cannot hope to combat that piece of news with another piece of fact. You're not going to be able to do that. The role of combating fake news needs to start with how it germinates